Enjoy luxury living in this exceptional home with amazing Mount Hood views. This entertainer's paradise is located in a gated community, close to fantastic parks, schools, and nature trails. Through the private gate, you'll enter into your own peaceful retreat on a large lot, built for experiencing the best of Northwest living. Double doors lead to the spacious entryway and inviting interior with exceptional craftsmanship throughout. It's a thoughtfully designed floor plan with formal and informal spaces for gatherings with friends and family. The updated kitchen features quartz countertops, a Sub-Zero side-by-side refrigerator, a Viking 6-burner gas cooktop, Genair double ovens, a coffee station, and a pantry. It opens to the family room with vaulted ceilings, built-ins, and a gas fireplace, as well as an informal dining nook. French doors lead to the main level office or optional bedroom. Venture upstairs to the primary suite with a cozy gas fireplace. Take in endless mountain views from your Juliet balcony. And unwind in the walk-in shower or jetted tub. Plus, you'll find a huge walk-in closet with a stackable washer and dryer for your convenience. 2 ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closets are ready for your family and friends in this home of more than 5,300 square feet. The spacious bonus room with bamboo floors is a flexible space with extensive, easily accessible storage. The private backyard with an expansive patio with a hot tub and fire pit is ideal for hosting large gatherings. The daylight basement offers a multi-generational or apartment option with a private entrance. The full kitchen includes butcher block countertops, a cooktop, microwave, and dishwasher. The bedroom has a closet and ample storage, plus a beautifully updated full bath. You can savor quiet evenings outside on the covered patio. The 3-car attached garage includes abundant storage. An exceptional home in a fantastic gated community with spectacular views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.